Good, see?
Better than too early. That's what we do. Oh, well done.
My mother's a carnivorous plant.
You needed to use it.
Hope something more morbid comes to an
The plane! The plane! Ha! Ha! The plane!
If you growl at it hard enough, it'll go away.
Right.
Yeah, I try that on people. Works every time. It's the most aggressive plane.
Sorry.
Oh, sorry. Did I hit you in the face right now? Hold on. Are you okay?
Take two. Pick up.
Thanks, George. This one's for you.